Yours.
Next patient, please. Come in.
Good morning, Dr. Sleep.
Sit down, Manuela. What's your problem?
I cannot sleep, doctor. My head is full of worries.
Ah, we've got something for you, my dear. There's a new device from Japan. It's called the worries detector.
Is it dangerous?
No, doctor. Look, put it in your head. Connect it to the computer, and then... Ah, look. Patient Manuela Sleepless Beauty. You.
Yeah.
Diagnosis, worries full brain. Look at them, your worries. 1, 2, 3 worries. And the second one is the most horrible one.
Doctor, what can I do?
I'll remove them.
Is it painful?
No. One. 2 worries. And the biggest one.
I feel like sleeping.
Great, great. Manuela Sleepless Beauty, wake up.
Doctor,
You are healed.
I slept.
Yes, you did.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
I slept well. Thank you.
I sleep well.